Does your property have proper drainage? Perhaps one of the bigger nightmares of any property owner is taking on any type of unwanted water to the inside of their property. There are a seemingly infinite number of ways in which this can occur. The roof may need replacing, there may be some type of flashing challenge, a pipe could have burst, etc. One potentially damaging way that is preventable is to make sure that your property is set up to drain properly. If exterior moisture is not directed away from any building, there is a good possibility that, over time, water can infiltrate to areas you would rather it not be. In New England, this most often means the basement, though this obviously is not necessarily always the case. If exterior moisture is not draining properly, it could absolutely back up into your property from higher up areas as well, from the roof to any point downward. So what are some examples of things that can lead to water not being shed most correctly from the property? I thought you would never ask. A gutter system not operating as it should due to improper pitch, downspout connections that are not properly set up, the system itself draining into an underground drain system that has somehow been compromised, the landscaping is not set up to properly shed water away from the property, the landscaping had been properly set up, but some type of issue occurs that changes the landscape and subsequently its ability to shed water, a fallen tree, a retaining wall gets hit by a car, etc. If water is not appropriately guided away from your property, the chances drastically increase that some type of ensuing damage can occur. Immediate and gradual harm are both definite possibilities. Some drainage corrections can be quick, easy, and inexpensive, such as a loose downspout that needs to be tightened up. Other drainage corrections can take a while to do, are fairly complex, and require a good-sized investment, such as correcting the overall landscape of a property. Of course, there are also tons of examples that are in between. Whatever the case may be, water that drains properly away from your property greatly reduces easily avoidable future moisture damage headaches.